We'll guide you through how to use VPN in Opera browser and PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing Opera browser so it shows up in the results. When you see it, click to open the browser, then create a new tab by selecting the New Tab option so you start from a clean page. Look toward the top left corner of the browser and click the VPN button, which will open the VPN panel. Inside that panel, select Settings so you can adjust the VPN options before using it. In the Settings menu, turn on the Enable VPN switch so the feature becomes active. Right below that, turn on the option that says Connect to VPN when starting browser so Opera connects automatically every time the browser launches. You will also see a section for managing additional VPN bypass rules, and you can click this option if you want certain sites to skip the VPN. Inside the bypass menu, click the Add button to create a new rule, then type the rule based on what you need. When you finish adding any rules, go back to the main VPN button at the top of the browser so you can choose the location you want to use. In the middle of the VPN panel, you will find a region button, so click it to show the available locations. Select the region that fits what you need. For example, if you want Opera to choose the fastest server, you can select Optimal Location. Left-click the Optimal Location option to activate it, and Opera will connect you to that region. Once the VPN is connected, you can browse with the added protection that comes with the feature. If at any time you want to switch the region, you can repeat the same steps and choose another option from the list. And if you decide you want to turn the VPN off, just click the power button located in the same VPN panel. This will disconnect the VPN instantly and return the browser to normal mode without removing your settings. When you need it again, you can simply click the power button to turn it back on, and the browser will use the same settings you already set earlier.